I wanted to talk about this fireside side table that I have right here. This has been absolutely perfect for my friends and I when we're sitting out by the fire out here on the back patio, and this has just been so super nice to be able to set down like my keys and my water when I am out here. So this is just so super handy, and it's perfect for when we want to make marshmallows and s'mores and everything like that. So this is made out of bamboo, this wood portion on it. So let me take it off so you can see this more up close. So this is all very easy to put together. This metal portion just folds down, and this is just so perfect. I love how this bamboo looks. It is all completely sanded down and coated, so you don't have to worry about ever getting a splinter or anything like that. So I just love the way that this feels, and the quality of everything is just so super nice. I love how all of this metal looks, and it just looks really, really nice. And these metal pieces just fold down, and it's easy to carry because it comes with a bag to carry it with. So when you will get it in the mail, it will all come in this carrying bag, and that is just absolutely perfect. This is just exactly what you need to be able to carry everything in with carrying around the side table if you're going camping, or if you are having a bonfire or a picnic or anything like that. So I would definitely recommend everybody to go out and get this bamboo side table. I love it. It is just absolutely adorable and so sleek. It just holds everything so nicely, and I just love the shade and the color of that bamboo. So I am going to enjoy my time outside right now and the fire. So definitely everybody go and get this side bamboo table.